guys, it's Farley and Points on the board here, and we are together for the first time in forever, and I can't find Points, he's gone hidden again. Let's use my special superpowers and flying. Where's he gone?
I'm over here.
Well, you're over here, that's really helpful for me finding you. Are you on the
over here. I'm not. I'm definitely not.
Tell me if I'm getting hot or cold. Can you see me? Can you see me, Points?
No, I can't see you. All I can see is white.
Oh, thanks for
All I
that.
can see is white, that's all I'm going to say.
I don't know who you
I
are.
can only see white. That's it. I can see like other blocks, like wood and brown clay, but I can only see white.
Wood, brown
Like
clay.
white and blue.
Oh, white and blue?
Yep.
That has completely thrown me off. I have no idea. Can you just come out, please?
White's with like one half, and then blue, then it comes out as a strip, and then blue sky.
I have not. Can you just come out? Because I have no idea. Or give me a bit more of a hint, like near.
Right, I can see oakwood logs, and if I look directly up and move backwards a lot, I can see white wall, black wall, and fences.
I have no idea. Just tell me where you are. Come on. We don't want to waste our video on this.
Okay, well if you just cut ahead in the video, and then I'll tell you.
Yeah, I'll cut in the video. Back and I found him. Yay! Okay, we're now going to go straight into a bed. Well, I did. I found you. I very clearly found you. We're just
No,
gonna...
I showed you where I was.
So we're going to go into a Bedwars.
Bedwars.
Bedwars!
Bedwars. Okay.
Little Bedwars. Bedwars!
1, 1, 2, 1.
1, 1, 2,
Oh, okay, this is Speedway. It's one of my favourites.
Oh, I like Speedway. Speedway's cool. Speedway is thick. Okay, let's go.
And I'm lagging again.
Oh, yay. I have no lag, so I'm happy.
Lucky you. Oh, face bottle. Why do I breathe? Why don't I just throw my sword at you?
I'm a penguin. Let's go.
Don't worry, I will pay you in iron.
Oh, cheers, man. I'm going to start protecting the bed. It's alright.
Alright, nice. Oh, you're going to protect the bed? Okay, then I won't pay you in iron. Pay you in gold.
Diamond and gold.
So if you're protecting the bed, I am attacking them, yeah?
Yeah, you are. I'm going to have a lot of wood now, so... Okay, green might be coming over, so be aware of that.
Right, green to the diamonds, just let me know if they're there again.
Yes. Why have I got...
Are they still a diamond?
I can't see, because I'm kind of...
Well, look up.
Yeah, they're right behind you! I was... What the freak?
I just got hit off.
That's abusive. I'm just finishing off. I'm just gonna get some more wool to protect the beddy weddy. If you lose that far, I'm gonna eat you. Okay?
Did he die?
Oh no, did he die?
Oh, he's still here.
He's right here.
And they didn't hit him off.
Hey man, what's up? Hey man, what is up, man? G? What is up, man?
1 hit point.
Yeah, cheers, man. Green team have been above us. Oh god. Speed build. Why are we getting completely targeted this match?
Where are they?
Up above us, yeah. I got knocked off. I took him down with me. Let's go. But I think that yep, there it is.
What?
A destruction. What the freak? This guy has reached. This guy has actual reach. I'm gonna point if you dare die. Look
I won't die.
at him go. Look at him go. We're gonna go straight into another match, children.
Wait,
Or if you're...
Stone sword and iron leggings. What do I have? Nothing.
I literally have
Wooden sword
nothing.
and leather. And
We got completely targeted. First by green and then the grey were like, oh, we're going to come and finish you kids off now. Oh, I am so hilarious. I'm going to go and third party the hell out of these
I'm really lagging with people. That's my worst lag.
Yeah.
Like, I don't have any bad lag with like walking around, but with people I'm like incredibly laggy. Right. Did you just rubbish at defending the bed?
What? Yeah, I'll go attack Google Call. There's your gold, man. Right, I'm going to go...
I only have 4.
That's-
Why don't you nickel my gold?
Oh, I gave it to you.
Right. Can you have a lot of iron? I've got a different plan for my bed.
There's one. I've got no more. There's one by the bed though.
Yeah, I need 24.
Oh, what are you doing? Oh, you're doing Ender and Stone.
Yes, I am. How did you get? Come on, right. 17 and 7.
We got
I need
this.
24 and 8.
I'm almost at diamond now, so that's pretty good.
Mate, okay, look up. Is there anyone rushing us?
New.
Okay, Gucci.
Be quick though.
I've got to wait until I get 24.
Yeah, I know. That's one thing. Just be on your lookout
Got
for people and other peoples and more peoples and every peoples. But yeah, I have the diamonds. There's no one else here, so that's pretty good.
Well, you have control of diamonds?
Yeah, we got control.
Nice.
We got all the control over these diamonds. I'm gonna go buy something with these diamonds. 3 of them. That's pretty good. Pretty good.
No. Wait, upgrade our forge.
Yes, and we're also gonna get heal pull just because then if someone attacks us, we got the advantage, boy.
Oh, yellow, purple, I mean.
Also, all
I
red.
saw them. They just jumped out at me.
Quick, they're gonna kill the bed, so just try and
No,
stay.
because they don't have a pickaxe, do they?
Oh yeah, good point. Oh, they do. They definitely do. Help me. Yeah, they destroyed the bed. You're like, they don't have a pickaxe, do they?
I can't block.
Oh, I knocked one in! I knocked one into the void, yeah! We're gonna do something else because we're bad at this.
I was trying to hit him, yeah? He was stood still for me. So
We're quickly gonna do a build battle. Because that will be better. That will be fine for you. You won't be laggy wag. Build battle.
What we do? Build battle?
Yeah. Can't find it. Ah!
It's gonna have. I have too much people lag. Like people are just.
Yeah, and there'll only be 2 of us in the sector, so.
They're literally just stood still. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then they move suddenly. It's like that. But I'm perfectly fine and everything, and place blocks perfectly fine. It's just people lag.
Yeah, peep.
Yeah, that's.
We're gonna cut hidden the video until we're in the actual match.
At least we're ready.
Let's go, and here we are back,
You didn't
guys.
say hi to YT, so I said hi to YT.
Giraffe.
Cheese, leg,
Cheese. Gotta go for the cheese. We gotta go for the cheese.
Yeah, I'm going for Earth. We're going for Earth.
Oh, really? Alright, yep, we can do that as well. We're gonna make a nice juicy earth. Oh, cheese. Alright, that's fine. I have a good idea. So we need red and we need yellow clay. As bright. I'll go in concrete because we're doing the red. The red.
Red Leicester?
No, not red Leicester. Yellow cheese, but with the red wax outline.
Oh, I don't know what you mean, but yeah, okay.
Okay, so go red wool actually. That'll just be better because it'll be brighter then.
Alright, red wool and yellow, yeah?
Yeah, at the bottom. So make like a circle of these. So like.
Obvious.
I can't do it.
How big's the circle? Make it big.
Yeah, like it's gonna be like. Oh yeah. It's gonna. Oh god, I didn't know. We're gonna make the floor something, so I'm just gonna make it polished granite. I can't be asked to do anything else. Okay.
That's just nothing.
What?
Don't really make it cheesy. Nah.
Oh my god. Come on.
Sorry.
No bad puns today.
Have you recut the video?
No, we're back on. What the hell are you doing, Ben?
I'm making it big. Otherwise
We're
you
not
don't
gonna
too
have
much
time
room
to fill
jump
that
on.
in, are we?
You go better.
We gotta because we gotta make several layers and like wrap it around and stuff. We gotta make and we gotta fill this in now.
What, with bread?
Yes.
No, it won't take too long.
Yes, but we've also got to do 2 more layers and have it open a bit. Okay. Let's go. Okay. I've got auto jump on. I hate it, and we don't try to turn it off, so I'm not going to.
Alright.
Okay, so now we're gonna make the just yellow on top. No,
What, yellow?
around the outside is gonna be red. Around the outside, I'll do the outline. You
I'll do
do,
the inline. Alright.
but you don't see my little friend bit.
Okay, I don't know what you mean by this cheese.
You know, like the just yellow cheese, like a Baby Bell, coated in wax. You know how they're coated in wax.
Oh,
But it's
I
a
get it now.
giant one, like the.
But think of normal people. Okay.
Yeah, but they'll see it's cheese in a second because I have a little bit of a plan. It's going to. So they're going to see the yellow inside of it because there's going to be a cut opening. It's going to be cut. So we're going to have to do. But we're going to make it whole first and then just cut it out so it'll be quicker than making the cut originally. Oh god.
Alright.
Oh god, rip. Yep, I don't need. Okay, now we got to make the top wax layer. So
What is it like? Are we gonna make it open? Like,
no, yeah, we're gonna make a slot, take a slice out of it so they can see the inside and how it's cheese. If that makes sense. My teammate is making a house. No, don't make it any higher. Don't make it any higher. No,
no. What? No, I'm not making it higher. I'm making it like go out, like to here. I'm making it diagonal.
No, don't, because we need this. It just needs to stay like this, and then we'll have time at the end to make it fancy. Alright.
Make it fancy earlier.
No, you don't, 'cause we have like 2 minutes at the end to do that. So, you know, keep it cool. Just be quick. Spam. Ah, dang it. I'm going to cut ahead in the video because otherwise we're not going to have long enough to last. So I'm going to cut ahead until we finish. Okay, we are back and that is pretty damn bad. Cheese touch, really? Yeah, we haven't gone yet. Only one person's gone. There's a mouse, but there's no cheese. So super food. Come on. This mouse is super high. Wait, my teammate left. Sorry. Okay, that's not cheese. That's just a cheesy build, huh? Hey, there it is! That is our finished design. Legendary! Woo! Yeah, that knife actually makes it amazing. That was points you made. That I made the holy Swiss cheese, and we made the other one bit together. That's alright. But it's not great.
It's okay.
Okay, that is not cheese. What is that?
Cheese in a house.
I'm just gonna make.
What do you mean a house? Oh, that's the guy that said I'm gonna make a house.
Yeah, no, he said that my teammate is making a house.
Oh,
I'm gonna go good. Oh, actually, no, okay. I'm gonna go okay. I don't like the mouse. Oh. Okay.
That's good.
We're gonna cut ahead in for a bit until towards the end, 'cause it's getting quite close. Okay. How the hell did this one win? Come on, guys. How? Come on. Anyway, guys, we've got to end the video here. We're going to another one for some reason. But, points. I've been Frolly.
Points. And I win.
And we are on the board. Bye!